Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Omega Video Chat app. First, download and install the app from the Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app, allow the required storage permission and sign in using one of the available options. I will be signing with Google. After logging in, make sure to enable all the required permissions. Once that's done, you will be taken to the main screen of the app. If you want to change again the location preference, you will need to purchase Omega Plus. You can also visit the settings section to view your profile details. The app lets you earn free coins by watching ads as well. All your conversations can be found in the Messages tab, making it easy to access your chats anytime. When everything is set up, simply tap the display to start matching and chatting with new people. That's it for this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.